Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm catching up with Biggin today. He's not in the video, but he's actually going to be replacing all the suspension on this 2023 Keystone Montana, and it's a 390A model. So overall length, I believe, is pretty long. I want to say it's probably 42, 44 feet, something like that. So he's got it all up in the air and lifted, and it looks like Monday, because today's Friday, he's going to start dropping all this suspension here. So it's currently got on the older version of the Road Armor by Lippert from LCI. And so he's going to take this all apart, drop the axles. That's why the floor jacks are here in the way. And he's going to get this bad boy all down on the ground, remove everything underneath here, and he's going to be installing a Roadmaster slipper spring set. So stay tuned for more, and we will try to catch up with him as he goes and gets that all installed and completed. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't joined our Keystone RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin and the guys, we encourage you to check that out. We have a bunch of videos, posts, articles, and photo albums of different things that we do to the units that come in. And you know, this varies, so it's not just on Keystones, it's on everything, but in that group we do post a lot more of the Keystone units that we're working on. So make sure you check it out. Hopefully these tips, tricks, and things that we do help you and can let you see what we're doing and what products and tools and things like that we like, and we'll go from there. So again, thanks so much for watching, and we hope you to not only subscribe with us, but that you follow us online so you can see what's going on in the RV shop. Thanks so much.